Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name's Jenna. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. If you guys notice, I got a little something done to my hair. I got a couple inches cut off and some layers added and a balayage done last weekend. I posted it on my Instagram, so my Insta followers saw it first. If you guys don't follow me over there, make sure you guys go and check it out. It's Miss Jenna D _. I've been posting that over there a lot more recently, so yeah. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm debating on starting a new series. This will be the first of many, hopefully. You guys are going to have to let me know if you guys like it or not. I am going to be doing a stealing so-and-so's style. And it's going to be a mix of stealing like celebrity styles, stealing influencer styles, and stealing like fictional character styles. So the first one was actually my fiance's idea. He suggested that I do stealing Jim and Pam's looks from The Office and using my own clothes and his clothes to do it. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a kind of a femme version of Jim just because that's easier, and then I will be also doing obviously Pam as well. But I'm really excited, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is my Pam look. I feel like a lot of her pictures that were online, the early seasons, she really had her shirts untucked a lot, and she usually wore like a cardigan over top. I don't own any really cardigans, and so I just decided to go without. So I feel like this is a very early on Pam look. I did her typical have up, half down style with a very light lip gloss with mascara. I feel like she didn't wear a lot of makeup in the show. I looked up a bunch of different pictures, so this is kind of the look that I was going for with the Pam look. But I think it came out well. I took my pencil skirt and rolled it kind of weird, so I'll probably unroll that soon so I don't bunch it up weird. But I think overall it looks good. I feel like I look like Pam pretty well. But yeah. Let me know what you guys think down below if you guys think that this looks like a good Pam outfit. Yeah, I feel like I prefer having this tucked into the pencil skirt just because of it makes me look like I have a waist, whereas like this makes me look like I do not have a waist at all. Like, maybe I just need it a little bit tighter, but yeah, overall I think it looks good. Do a spin for you. Alright, let's see what my gym outfit looks like. Alright, so this is my stealing gym look. I did the basic white long sleeve shirt that he wears a lot with a black tie, since he wears, this is literally his look, with a pair of black dress pants that are like wide at the bottom, and yes, I'm wearing fuzzy socks. I didn't feel like putting on actual shoes. I also just did a slick back look into a ponytail. I know some hair is peeking out, but I figured that this kind of looks more like a dude style. His hair is also kind of messy. I figured that if he was a femme, or if Jim was a girl, he probably would go with more of a messy bun look, but since my hair is so short, I can't do my messy bun anymore, and I haven't figured out quite how to do a messy bun yet with this ponytail, so we're just gonna go with this look. But overall, I think that it turned out pretty good. This is the same picture with the Pam look that I took the Jim look off of. And then here's the Pam and the Jim look side by side. I think overall I did a pretty decent job with both of them, but like I said earlier, let me know down below if you guys think that I pulled it off. But yeah, let's go back to sitting down, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts on how I think I did. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today. I had a lot of fun filming this, so I hope you guys really enjoyed it. My fun fact for today is that my favorite comedy show is probably The Office or The Good Place, one of those two. I think that I don't like a lot of comedy. I was never really a fan of it growing up, but I've grown into liking it the longer I've dated or been with my fiance, because he enjoys the genre more. So I've been watching more, like I've been exposed to it more. But I didn't watch like The Office until late 2018, early 2019. But yeah, but I really enjoyed the show when I actually did sit down and watch it. I just wasn't a huge, like, I just didn't really get into like the whole show until way after it aired, until like recently. And I've only seen it like once all the way through, and then I was in the middle watching it a second time, and yeah, there's a few episodes I skipped because I just bawled like a baby the first time I watched it, and we are just not doing that again. Like, I knew what happened in those episodes, and we're just not doing that again. But yeah, I was more of a Grey's Anatomy person. I still kind of am. I'm behind on it, so no spoilers. But comment down below if you guys liked this video and you guys want to see me do more Stealing Styles. Let me know if there's anybody, either fictional character, let me know what show they're from. So like show, character, let me know if it's an influencer, let me know person, like let me know who you want me to like try to steal their style from. I plan on trying to do this like once a month, so let me know who you guys want to see. Like I said, I want to do this. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to try to recreate the looks as best that I can using stuff from my closet, so I don't have to go out and buy stuff, but I might have to buy 1 or 2 items for a look just because I may not have it. But yeah, so like I said, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will see you guys back here next week with another video. I love you guys. Bye.